Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka Ashwarya Malang ka Samla ka Basyong Basa ha Kli Yong Riang West Jaiñtia Hills District. Kaliyo Phong ya ka Pansngiat Miss Diva Arajar Arpun Rio ha ka rinsan ya ka Thei Bhabrio ka Balong ha ka Khat Khanai Tarik Naitung ha Jaipur. Nalor ka Pansngiat Miss Diva India Arajar Arpun Rio ka Ashwarya Malang ka job ru ya ka Miss India Arajar Arpun Rio Miss Fashion Icon but best in evening gown. Daga jing sngo sarong halor ka jing job jongka ka jing wan phai chalayi ki bahayeng hasam ringkat kashnong kle yong riang kilap diang burom yaka ha jing kieng mentru ha ka arpu artarik naitung ka Samla Ashwarya Malang ha bakren shkila pathai khubor ka pinpau ka jingmen ka bakraw halor ka ni ka jing job ka jongka dak ba ka kinturu ikiwe ki para Samla ki badan ya ka sap ha ginu ginu rinsan bagi dei ban mi shakmat knang bakin yo e ka jing job ha ka jing im ka jongki
gitu.
Jessica! Ang ready ka.
Welcome to Diva, Diva. Deposit naman pe.
Kemen ha sahun ha men sia mana ba na do dang mo like ni journey ha kle yang na to we had that I want to make our state proud and now I did it. Por dang ngai ki audition yang na emo chu Chennai to ang ngai ka bai se bai kwa how le ga Miss Diva to ke gai na are you mad? I was like no please let me just give it a try. So she's like okay come home one chiyum le te man por one chiyum le ki audition man le ki audition no wait they por I was preparing for my NEET. So I came home for a week, did the audition and went back to Chennai and then I got an email but I got selected to represent our state and I was so happy. I was flowing with happiness. I was really happy. After that I had to prepare for my NEET and then I had to prepare for the pageant as well, which was quite hard but I managed. And about the support from my family, I have all of it. As you see, they're all right here. I want to inspire them by saying that be yourself, go for the run, just do anything that you want. My advice would be the same thing. Be yourself, be confident, have courage in yourself, you can do it. I was really nervous. I wanted to cry. I was excited as well because in my heart, deep down, I knew I was going to win. I knew I was going to do it. But then I was also scared because what if I don't? But I know that I worked really hard for this. So yeah, that was it. So while preparing for my NEET examination, after my NEET examination, I had 2 weeks exactly to prepare for this pageant. And I did the preparation for the pageant while I got the holiday off for after my NEET examination.
Okay, thanks.
Yes, and I had to do re-NEET, right? It was twice.
Yes.
So it was quite difficult because I thought that I had a month to prepare for the pageant, but I had 2 weeks, and it was really sad for me because everything was so much in a rush, and I had to prepare everything in a rush. But I did it anyway. So my next plan is I want to go for MBBS, and obviously I'll be representing India on the international stage.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Kami tago Miss Diva mangoy iki khna khlon do ki khatlis nam do khat hindi nam gitta. Tengah habo ha po ite te yo online company.
Taiwan.
Chujeput, manga chujeput. Pasa acetai nado khat vitrik, hado khat kendetrik, tagatut khat kendetrik upet pi gatut tawa finale. Luti yang acha pun dijung ni bha amigiri ni to prepare for ni arsen. Mana dap nete amo sa artia he prepare bha ini pageant yang da do ya be imet be mensim sa ashlong prepare kan ibim ya. Tang yo ra ye te na me te burom yang geset kam pada kwa mensim. Hado boy ya chagatang and the boy ya chagatang la. Ya Allah represent international ko wado man gani ga Miss Teen Earth India nga wala represent ye India hi varogi haite ha international stage
hai wa no man natip
bu am tikna hai wanu man ga te man da chua man ga te do yo ajun te poni se do yo ani
phi kam gunung ajan
begini pageant e Glamour Foundation Nikhil sir Nishan sir bon ha gi organization lai te ko apar tikti te do se na ni phi gele so to bon ri ki partai tamni khabar tikti di pe bi secondly pageant bigi lagi audition te na kete ko audition u cha select thi represent gvi na rocky state tengah mano kam gvi ko cha select na Meghalaya te man da ko audition do ki lai na do khat vi trek do khat kan de trek julai te par gi kite ME gi rehearsals ME gi shoots ME gi introduction you were it's really exhausting but it was all worth it. Ya Allah represent international ko wado man gani ga Miss Teen Earth India nga wala represent ye India hi varogi haite ha international stage
hai wa no man natip
bu am tikna hai wanu man ga te man da chua man ga te do yo ajun te poni se do yo ani
Barok ki breu ki khmi ya kalawai babha ki wat ya kajaka bansan kajaka ban kiyo shaprang
MIT University Meghalaya man kasni kalong ke jing stang bathuma ki jing kai bapura kat kom kejok ke bamta ke MIT University kadan bonjait ki course pat ki jing kai kum ka fashion design filmmaking communication design music BBA MBA sports management nursing BTech computer science, BSW, MSW, but QA.
Ha MIT University Meghalaya ki jingtrang jongpi shaka jingjop ki urlong but ki galalong ka jingshisha MIT University Meghalaya ka jingya lenti ka bastang shakalawai bachok